We are excited once again to be bringing you the latest edition of Security Field Day. Hello everyone, my name is Tom Hollingsworth and I'm a practice lead for security here at Tech Field Day, a part of the Future Room Group. And we are kicking off yet another amazing Security Field Day event with everyone in our community, from enterprise security to endpoints, from data protection to encryption and beyond. There are so many wonderful things that we can't wait to talk to you about May 28th and 29th at Security Field Day. We have a wonderful lineup of presenters that can't wait to bring you the latest in technology that they're working on. On Wednesday, we're going to kick off with our first presentation from Dell Technologies. They're going to be talking about their holistic approach to cybersecurity. It's comprehensive. It's built into all the PCs that they offer, their infrastructure solutions, and even AI capabilities from the ground up. They're going to be talking about how they reduce risk, ensure resilience, and help customers stay ahead of evolving threats all across their portfolio. After that, we're going to be hearing from our very own Fernando Montenegro on some of the latest reporting that he's been doing in cybersecurity futures of 2025. Not only am I personally excited to be able to bring Fernando to this event as a delegate, but I'm also thrilled to be able to learn about what he's been working on with the rest of Future Room Research. So make sure that you check out that session on Wednesday. After lunch, we're going to be joined by our friends over at Microsoft Security. You may have recalled recently that they did a special Tech Field Day showcase with us where they talked about AI security and Security Copilot. We're going to spend a little bit more time expanding on those topics and digging into some of the challenges that Microsoft Security is trying to address in the market with their approach to securing these critical infrastructure needs. We're going to wrap up Wednesday with a look at our old friends Veeam. Now, it's been a while since we've seen Veeam at one of our Field Day events, and they're going to be talking about their end-to-end data resilience capabilities. From inline detection to integration and existing security capabilities, immutable storage, and so much more. We're excited to be able to catch up with them and learn what they've been working on since we last saw them. Thursday is going to feature a presentation from our friends over at CPacket, and they're going to be talking about deep network observability and how it will accelerate security operations by combining the NOC and the SOC together. Talking about detecting things like DDoS attacks and lateral movement, they're going to be using deterministic telemetry and AI-driven threat insights to be able to detect and respond to threats faster. They have been a hit at our previous events that they participated in the past, so we can't wait to hear what they have to say to the wonderful delegates who will be joining us around the table. Speaking of those delegates, after we're done with that presentation on Thursday, we'll be heading up a delegate roundtable where we let our attendees talk to you about some of the things that they found important, not only from this event, but from the security space in general. These are some of our most highly rated sessions, so we cannot wait to hear what they have to say and what you have to say about their perspective on things. We have an amazing lineup of delegates that will be joining us for this event. I've already mentioned my friend Fernando Montenegro, who will be joining us for the first time as one of our Future Research Analysts. But I also want to call out Malou Meyer for her first Field Day event presentation. You may know that she hosts a podcast with Brian Knudsen, and we'll link to that in the show notes so that you can check out some of the episodes. I was even on one of them, so it should be a fun time to have her joining us there, along with a lot of our other great delegates, to not only our security stalwarts, but also are crossing over for the first time to this event to share some of their perspectives. If you'd like to tune in, make sure you head over to techfieldday.com and check out the event schedule that we have posted. We have presentations happening Wednesday and Thursday, the 28th and 29th of May. We will also be streaming on techfieldday.com, as well as on our LinkedIn page at just search for Tech Field Day, the company, and on TechStrong TV and all of the family of TechStrong TV properties. Since we're all part of the Future Room Group, we love to share the information that we have with everyone out there. If you want to participate in the conversation as you're following along, make sure you head over to social media. I personally am using Blue Sky these days, but we have handles across all of social media, whether it is X, Twitter, Blue Sky, Mastodon, or pretty much anything else. You can find us there as @TechFieldDay. If you're going to participate on social media, please make sure you use the hashtag XFD13. That is the way to get in touch with all of our great people and to make sure that your question gets asked or your perspective is shared with the rest of the community. This is going to be a wonderful event. We can't wait to hear what you have to say, and we can't wait to see what our delegates think about all of our great presenters. Make sure that you tune in, and we'll see you at Security Field.